Hi guys, and are you looking to create videos to attract more customers and make more money for your business? Well, in this short video, I'm going to share with you my top 3 secrets for making that happen. Okay, a couple of caveats to start off with. Well, one thing, the reason video is so powerful, not just the video itself, but you can actually pull the audio off the video and then release it as a podcast, and then you can actually have it transcribed and that becomes a blog on your post. For video, the most powerful platform is YouTube. It is the #1 platform by far for your video. And what makes YouTube so great is from there you can actually share your video onto Facebook, LinkedIn, Reddit. You can share it even onto Pinterest. You can create storyboards in Pinterest to share it onto. Everywhere that Google can then find you, so you're attracting more customers to listen to your story, to your message, and then get them to know, like, and trust you more so they actually want to do business with you. Before I show you the 3 strategies, I will just make a little caveat on here that there are a lot of people who offer to make videos and offer to set up YouTube channels. My #1 rule is go to their YouTube channel. Make sure they're doing it for themselves. Now, there's an industry standard that says you should be over 10,000 subscribers on your own channel. So if you go to somebody and they've got more than 10,000, there's lots of good people out there that do. By the way, I'll put my link so you can actually have a look at that and see how many subscribers I've got. But if you go there and they've only got 5 or 6 videos and 25, 3,500 subscribers, then if they can't do it for themselves, what chance have they got of doing it for you? That's just a little caveat there. The other thing is you want to look at how many views they're getting on their video. Now, even the top channels, they go wildly, from 10 views to 100 views to a few 100,000 views. If you're looking for a videographer to create videos for you, the standards are round about, you should be looking at people who can attract, 15,000, 20,000, 40,000, 50,000 views. You want to at least be playing, when they do their top ranks, and the top of their videos should be their most popular videos, they should at least be up there, which proves to you that they can attract people that not only watch their videos, but actually subscribe to the channel. Just as a little caveat. Now, the video itself, this is how you construct a video. Oh, firstly, you don't need fancy equipment. Don't get into that game. You can actually produce great videos from your phone. Get a little lapel mic that just plugs into your phone just to make the audio a little bit crisper. And that'll just up your, what we would call your production value. Just as simple as that. It doesn't take very much. Now, to construct your video, what you want to be looking at is one message per video. What is the message you want to give people? So you have to make the video about one thing. Don't confuse themes. A confused mind never buys. You watch all the top people, they'll have one message per video. Following on from your message, you set the scene, you discuss a little bit, talk about the challenges or the struggles or the problems you've encountered around that theme. Take people on a little bit of a journey. People like stories, and this is the story here, and then give them the solution for that. So you want 1 or 2 solutions, maybe 3 solutions that they can incorporate today to help them achieve the goals on the theme that you're talking about. And then the final step is then to give them the #1 actionable step they could take today. And this is the action step that you want them to take. What is it you want to do? Do you want them to click the link and go to your website? Do you want them to send you an email? Do you want them to download a PDF? Do you want them to subscribe to your channel? And usually what we're trying to do in a video is just have one clear message per video. Let's not get this confused. So a clear theme and one clear actionable step per video. That is how you create videos. Now, you heard me mention story. Now, I've seen a few people out there already going, let me teach you how to tell your story. Well, no one's interested in your story. That's not marketing. So what people are interested in is you being able to finish off the conversation going on in their head. So you can make fancy videos that look really, really good, that make mum proud, as I like to say. They're pretty useless. They'll make mum happy, and maybe, she'll ring you up and say, you look really good in that video. But that's not what you want. You want to attract customers to you. So you're going to make videos that work. So you're going to make videos that work for you and work for your customers. And the way you do this is not by telling your story, but by finishing off the conversation in your customer's mind, in your customer's head. So if someone's going to make videos for you, you want to be dealing with an actual consulting firm that can talk through, that can understand your business, that can understand your customer, that can understand why your customers should be dealing with you. Because when they get their heads around that, then they should be able to give you a bullet point script. Now, I say a bullet point script, so here's my other golden rule. Here's a few bonuses for you. These people out there saying, oh, I've got one of those teleprompters you can read. Run. That is absolute garbage, because the same person saying, oh, here's a teleprompter, read off it. Oh, by the way, be authentic, because people buy authenticity. That's true. People buy authenticity. They want to see you stumble. They want to see you think. They don't want you reading off a teleprompter. You're fake. You read off a teleprompter, you're fake. Make your mum proud because you look real professional, but the person who wants to do business with you goes, warning, and they can pick it up. The camera can really, really pick it up if you're reading a script, so don't do that. Okay, they're my 3 tips with a few bonuses thrown in. What's my one actionable step? Look, I've got a lot of people that say, geez, I wish I knew who to talk to, how to talk to them. I want to create video, but I'm not too sure where to start. Look, there's an expression, there's a little button underneath. Click that, or be around here somewhere. Click that, depending which platform you're watching. Then we go through, just send us an email. We'll set up a Zoom call. We'll have a chat. First of all, work out a little bit about your business. Will video and will YouTube actually work for you and your business? Yes or no, let's answer that first. And then let's see if we can get some construction around this so we can actually get video topics that your clients will resonate with and actually watch them. So you want to have just a consultation, absolutely free of charge. Just click that button, send me an email, we'll set up a Zoom call, have a chat, and you can then decide whether this is going to be right for you and your business. And if it is, hey, hopefully I can set up your YouTube channel and start creating videos for you.